Well, the stock market is one way to go with your investment when you're trying to protect your future and plan for the future. But Ted Thomas, who is the authority on tax lien certificates, might have another opinion on that. Ted, what's your opinion on tax liens, and are they smarter than getting involved with the stock market? What's your view on this?
Well, I'm pretty prejudiced, but let's think about the stock market. I'm not negative on the stock market, all right? I'm very positive on it. However, someone else is controlling your destiny. Someone else, all right? So first of all, everyone knows, and if they've looked at graphics at all, they understand the stock market's up and down, up and down. Those people are used to that. They used to up, down, oh, a big rally today, and oh, we lost money tomorrow. And so that is a little tough on my heart. So I don't like that investment for that reason. All right, that doesn't mean long-term, it's not a good idea. Everybody would like to say they bought Apple when it came out. Yeah. But there's 1,000 companies that have gone bankrupt since Apple became the trillion-dollar company they are. So a lot of money, goes away. I like the tax lien and deed business because it's predictable, it's certain, and secure. So let me explain it from two perspectives. If you're a little old lady or a little old man like me, and you want to have security, which you do, all right, if you want that, then you want to look at tax lien certificates. Why? Because there's no business involved in it. It's a government entity, and all that government wants to do is collect the money that's owed them. So what they do is they sell a certificate. So you invest with them, they give you a certificate, you're either going to get paid or you're going to get the property. Now, that's pretty damn secure. So you're getting money or you're getting a property. Now, if you're getting a property at 1 to 10%, all right, so if it's a $100,000 property, you probably bought it for 10%. That's a great deal in my mind. I know you don't want to own it because you're an old man, you don't want an old lady, you don't want to do it. Just call a broker, they'll take care of it. You don't have to do anything. I will tell you what to do. All right, so the point is, that's one investment. Now, if you want to be creative, you want to help a lot of people. Number one, buy tax deeds. The day you buy that tax deed, you pay the county. Now you've helped the county pay the firemen, the police, the school teachers, the hospitals. All right, so now you help somebody. All right, now you're going to help yourself because you bought a property for 10, 20, or 30 cents on the dollar. All right, now you're going to sell it. We're going to teach you how to market that property. We're really experts at marketing these properties. All right, so we're going to market it. So we're going to sell it low. So we bought it low. The market was 100,000. We bought it for, say, 30 cents. We're going to sell it for 50 or 60 cents to a flipper or to all those people that are watching late night television. All of them want to buy a property for a bargain. Here, we got your bargain. We're going to sell it to them. And when we sell it to them, we just created value. That value goes in your bank account. That takes care of your family and sends your son and daughter to college. That does everything that you wanted. I'll go on vacation, buy a new car. I don't care what you do with it. It's your money. You created it because you bought low and you sold low and you did it relatively fast. The next person has plenty of room because you're selling it 60 cents and he's got all that room to fix it up and go. So we're rehabbing properties, someone else doing the work, we're making nice profits. 20, 30, we try to make a profit of $25,000 in each property. You make your money in this business when you buy. And I can look and see what the price is before I buy because the government will put it on lists for me to look at. And I can drive there and make up my mind. Is there a profit in this deal? I know ahead of time. If I buy a stock, do I know if there's a profit in that? Well, if the market goes crazy and a whole bunch of people get all emotional, oh, we got to buy that. Well, then maybe, but if they get all emotional and say, oh my God, I got to get out, then I could lose my assets. I don't want to lose my assets. So I want to buy predictable, certain, and secure. That's what tax liens are for all of our older folks. Tax liens are perfect. For all you people who really want to make money, $20, $30, $50, $100,000, which we do, well, then you want to buy these tax defaulted properties, create value, sell it to other people, and let them do the work. 63% of my clients are women because we don't fix up the property unless we absolutely have to.
Hey, Ted, are tax liens? That's okay. Well, there's a lot there, though. Are tax liens, are they a long-term investment? Like, how long is the certificate good for, typically?
The redemption period, the longest redemption period I've ever seen is 3 years. So you should buy some every year. Just keep buying them and build up your portfolio because some will be paying off while you're buying others. So it's just a business. Some people are making 10% on one, 20% on another, 2% on one. I mean, if you buy some certificates and they pay you off tomorrow, you're not going to make very much money.
Yeah.
If you bought one in Georgia, you'd make 20% in one day. You bought it in Texas, you'd make 25% in one day.
Gotcha.
I mean, it's all in knowing how to do it. Now, there's so much to learn here. They got to go to tedthomas.com/free. At Ted Thomas, you can find all the videos you ever wanted. You'll just one after another after another. You can see it.
Yep.
You'll see real people. You're going to see real people. You know, they got marks on their face like I do. Their hair isn't cut. They don't have fancy clothes on. They're just real people doing it. And they'll tell you what they did. And you can decide for yourself. Does that work for you? If it does, they'll tell you, go to a class. Spend a few bucks and go to one of the classes. Just take all day and go to class. If you don't want to do any of that, you want to get something free, they'll give you a free auction list. So you can't lose. You just do something. If you don't do anything, well, you wasted your time.
That's right. So take Ted's advice right now. Head to tedthomas.com/free. See all the videos, get to know what Ted, get your free auction list. And then you know what, if you're inspired, and I think you might be, you might just want to attend Ted's full day class. So check it out right now, tedthomas.com/free.